Well guys, it is a beautiful little sunset hour right now, so I'm just driving down to the field, get a little more FPV practice in, and see how things look at sunset. Let's get set up and we'll get out there. Well, check this out guys. I'm sure there's a little bit of wind noise, but it is an absolutely beautiful sunset. And we're just gonna pop up in the air, get some more practice in. Goggles on, ready to record. Motor started. There we go. Let's pop into manual. All right guys, I think that's gonna do it for today's flight. Just wanted to get you guys out and see this pretty sunset. Thanks for tagging along guys. We'll catch you guys next time. Later.